Okay, so in this part we are going to create our mortality rate. Okay, the mortality rate for countries where we have more than 50,000 cases. So how we can do that? So first thing, we have to create a breakdown source where we will have only these list of countries, only countries where we have 50,000 cases. Then we have to create two different indicators. Okay, one indicator which will return the total number of confirmed cases for these specific countries, and then one other indicator, total death cases. Okay, so once we have this result, we can create a formula indicator which is actually going to use these indicators and calculate the percentage. But first, let's begin to create our breakdown source, breakdown mapping, our jobs in order to get the result of our indicators. Then we will go to we will be creating our formula indicator for the mortality rate. Okay, let's begin that. So first thing is our breakdown source. So look for breakdown source, click on new, so let's give it a title here, for example, country more than 50k cases breakdown source. Okay, the facts table is going to be the core country table, and the field is going to be the sys ID. And in the related list condition, I will select the table, for example, COVID-19 cases, location, and then select the field total confirmed. It should be more than 50,000 cases. So this is how we can get that specific list of countries. So if you click on preview, it's going to give you only few numbers of records. You can see here it's only 3 records. Click on submit. We have our breakdown source. Now let's create our breakdown. Okay, so let's give it a name for our breakdown here. So the breakdown source is the one that we have created previously. So more country more than 50k cases breakdown source. Click on submit. We have done with our breakdown, but we have to assign here, create here the breakdown mapping. Okay, so click on here on the related list, breakdown mapping, and choose your fact table, which is going to be COVID-19 cases, and then the location field here. Right, so we have done with our breakdown source, breakdowns, and breakdown mapping. Now let's create our indicators. So we have two. The first one is total confirmed cases, let's say, and then total death. So I'm gonna give a name here, for example, total confirmed cases, 50k. Okay, the direction is going to be minimize. The unit here I'm selecting that one, precision 1. Indicator source is going to be the same thing, so the one that we have created in the beginning, today's COVID-19 summary. So aggregate is going to be a sum, and it's going to return confirmed cases, total confirmed. Okay, so click on submit. Okay, let's create now our total dead cases. So the direction is also minimized. Same information that we have selected for the previous indicator, the same indicator source, and it's going to here we're going to have aggregate sum, and the field is going to be death, total death. Click on submit. We have created our indicators. Now we have to assign the breakdown. Okay, these ones will have a specific breakdown, the breakdown that we have created, right? So let's do that. So I'm selecting here total confirmed cases. So click on edit in the breakdown tab, and look for country more than 50 cases breakdown. Okay, we do the same for our total death, 50 total death cases, 50k. Okay, so we are pretty much done with the indicators as well. So now is the time to create our job. So we are going to create a new job. We have already 2 jobs for data collection global and data collection for all countries. So this one is going to be only for these specific countries where we have more than 50,000 cases. So I'm going to give a title here, for example, PA COVID-19 data collection 50k. Okay, it will relative start. The relative start is going to be 6 months ago, and relative end 0 days ago. Los Angeles time zone 8 a.m. submit. Great. So now we have to add our indicators. So let's add 2 of these. So total confirmed cases and total death cases for 50k, for example, here. That's it. We don't need others. And then we can execute now. Okay, so we are done with the job. It's collected. So we can go look for the indicator and pick one of them and see the score sheet. As you can see here, we have the result of total confirmed cases only for these specific countries. Great. Thanks for watching.